You ready?
Uh-huh. Yes.
There it is.
Oh my goodness
Okay,
gracious.
nice and straight.
Today's surgery day. Headed out. Got my wheelchair. I'll be in this when I come back. Everybody's really friendly, and not friendly from a place of, you know how it's a professional place and they have to be overly bubbly and super professional, and no, they're friendly from a place of like the vibe is like they're genuinely happy to be here. Like they came to work at a place where they genuinely like to work. Like they like their job, they like what they do, and they're just happy to be here. It's not super over bubbly, it's just like, it's like good vibes, like it's just cool. I don't know, that's the energy in this place. I like it.
Let me see. Is that recorded? I hope they don't put the. Oh yeah, okay. I hope they don't put that part of it.
Okay, got
If you
it.
want me here, you let me know and I'll hold your hand.
This is not my first rodeo, so.
I know.
This is my second rodeo, actually.
Okay, we're gonna take the before pictures now, alright?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, the worst part is over, which is basically the numbing. It's done. I'm numb now.
Try to get us as much of that good skin up here as we can, okay?
I'm playing Drake during my surgery. Dun dun dun.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Yes.
There it is.
Oh my goodness
Okay,
gracious.
nice and straight. You have that nice parabola now, okay?
You get so used to looking, well, I get so used to looking at my feet a certain way for
Right.
years. And
Yeah.
now it looks like a different foot.
It looks like a different
Like
foot,
it's
that's
not
the point.
mine.
Yeah. It's gonna heal beautifully. We showed you that side before.
Yes, yeah.
We're all wrapped up, okay? But
Oh my goodness
and the swelling
gracious.
obviously is gonna go down. So you did great. You're a really good patient.
Thank you. Well, I'm here. I just finished my surgery. I feel like I got new feet. Like it's just, there's just such a difference. So new feet, new merchandise on the way with my Tory Burch. It's been an amazing experience from start to finish. And this has been kind of a year in the making for me because I went back and forth about it, but the staff here at Luxe Foot Surgery, they were very patient with me and my indecision, and so I'm finally glad that I did make a decision. This was a really good decision. So I'm very, very happy. No pain. I'm all bandaged up. Thanks to the staff here. Thanks to Dr. Lopez. He was very informative. He covered every single detail, answered every single question, and I asked a lot of questions, and he answered every last one. He was very patient, very friendly. In the OR, I asked him to play Ozzy Osbourne and he played it. So it was a great experience all around.